Hi guys, it's the end of the video. I'm very exhausted at this point. I I came to pick something up not far from the house anyways. So if you watched up to this point, please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, share, comment, and do all the good stuff. Thank you all so much for returning back to my video. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking my video, and thank you for the engagement on my last video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.